Good morning, everybody. Well, here we are. This is the sawmill, Newman Lumber Sawmill. It's pretty much completed. I've got everything. I finished the saw. You can see it's right here. And then the logs coming in off the conveyor belt. They come down through into the saw, out the other end, and then I have powder lumber. You can see inside the saw. I don't know how good you can see it, but there is a saw in there. So it didn't come out too bad. I'm happy with this. The next step is I believe I'm going to build a storage shed for pallets of lumber. It's not going to be real big, but I think it'll look good on the layout. And I am putting to cover up this gap up here, I'm installing this right here, the roof vent. I'm making a roof vent to put on top, so that's going to be done. There's a lot of little details. I may add a railing across. I'm working on that idea. So now I want to show you what it looks like on the layout. Okay, everybody, it's Joe from JL Model Railroad. I'm back and just going to show you the Newman Lumber progress on the layout. The sawmill itself is done. Okay, it's going to go right down there. Doesn't look too bad. That's my first ever scratch build as far as a building goes, so I'm happy with it. I got more stuff to do. Like I said, I'm going to probably put a lumber storage unit right beside there where that pallet of lumber is. And then I can extend down and then put the office beside that. And then there's, as you can see, the road, that's Main Street. That'll be paved. I'm going to make some chain link fence to enclose Newman Lumber along the road, and then down when I'm done, down on this end, you'll have chain link fence going over to the backdrop. So it's getting there. It takes time, but it's worth it when it's done. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. Thanks for following my progress, and I'll have another video out soon. Have a great day.